Now, you going to tell me about Heroes Day?
I'm a hero.
How did
All
it
of
start?
us is. In your own way.
She said, how
In
the
our
heroes.
own way.
No, she needs to know how heroes
For
is.
if I was not a hero, I would not be sitting here talking to you. I'd be long time ago gone.
Yes.
So who bring in this heroes day thing, Bobby?
Eh?
Government, politician,
You know, your politics around the country, man.
what they would call it now? Historic, cause I know his colonialism or whatever.
Yeah.
No.
Who
no,
started it?
Heroes Day don't come from colonial, what you call it?
Colonial.
No. In the colonial days, Jamaica and most of the
Caribbean then.
was controlled by England. So after independence, the most noble individuals here and then in Jamaica, starting from Paul Bogle, had also come into recollection.
Are they the first heroes?
Yes, he is the first hero, Paul Bogle. The only man back then in the 16th century that faces governor here at Kingston was refused an argument. Was refused,
To speak to him. Now talk
and
to
he
him.
walked it back to Stony, got very angry.
Yes, sir. Ignorant too. Now come in ignorant yesterday. Yeah. And that's when the rebellion start. Rebel.
Then,
no.
after Paul Bogle, there came a little conscious, round-faced man. What's his name?
William Garden.
Thank, eh?
George William Garden.
Not no go so.
Marcus Garvey.
Not no go so.
Then
Black Liberator, Marcus
Eh?
Marcus Garvey.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, sir.
Marcus Garvey.
That had us to come into focus. Remember you called George William Garden name already. George William Garden was before Marcus Garvey. But they them do so with the names and put
Marcus
Marcus up front. I know this from
talking to a dunce. Yeah man, very dunce.
I see him say go, Bobby. See him say go.